Welcome to this video on changing your default printer at the New Brunswick Community College. So if you'd like to change the default printer on your NBCC staff laptop, the first thing you need to do is just make sure that you're on one of our 6 campus locations or at our corporate office. And so to change your default printer, all you have to do is next to the Windows Start button in the little type here to search box, I'm just going to go and I'm going to type in printer, and you can see that the printer and scanners section will come up here, so I'm just going to select it, and that will open the printers and scanners page here. So what I want to do is I want to scroll down and I want to make sure that the let Windows manage my default printer box is unselected. So I don't want that checked off, because if that's checked off, Windows will manage my default printer, and I don't want that. So I'm just going to make sure that's unselected, which it is now. So I'm going to go up, and if, for example, this CO 2009 PR001 printer is my default, and I want to change it to the printer above here in room 2008 of corporate office, what I can do is just select the printer I want to make the default. Then I just choose the manage button right here, and then I'll see set as default, and I'm just going to choose set as default. And I can see now that this is now the default printer, and I can confirm that by pressing the little back button here, and I can see that now the CO 2008 PR001 printer is now the default one on my laptop. And so I'm good to close this window and start printing. This concludes the tutorial on changing your default printer at the New Brunswick Community College.